Let's regroup here for a minute. Things don't look great. I knew this raid wouldn't be easy. A twin-headed ogre right from the get-go. You know the nickname people gave twin-headed ogres?
Gravekeepers?
Bingo. They're manageable as dungeon bosses, but in my experience, if you run into them at the entrance of a dungeon, you're headed for an army of undead.
You jinxed it! They're really here!
Huh? Something seems off about them.
Why do they keep backing away? Don't they usually charge on sight?
It kinda looks like they're being chased.
They told me this was a high-tier A-rank dungeon, so I came in with high expectations, but I can't even warm up with this. So, I'm ready. Let's try. Tearing through! You can't avoid it!
Strike!
I see it all. Too slow. White flames vanish into the shadow of the moon! It's over. I'll cut all of you down!
Get it!
It's no use. Vanish into the shadow of the moon! Lightning blitz! I'll shred you! Strike! Too slow. Vanish into the shadow of the moon!
Get it!
I'll end this! This will be your grave! Destroy them all! Time for a counterattack. Looks fun. Lightning blitz! I'll shred you!
Get it!
Lightning blitz! Destroy them all!